Hey friends, this is Miss Barron, and I am going to do a very quick double 10 frame work mat word problem addition lesson for you. This is what I taught today in my Zoom small group meetings with the kids that I saw today from my own kindergarten class. If you are in my kindergarten class and you missed out on that lesson, that's okay. I'm teaching it right now for you. It's just not as interactive as if you were in the Zoom meeting. All you are going to need is a 10 frame work mat. I have a double 10 frame work mat, which I think is a little bit better at this point in kindergarten, and you're going to need something to count with. I'm going to use pennies. So, to get started, all you need to do is listen to the story problem that I'm going to read to you, and then together we are going to put our pennies on the mat. Here we go. Kate had 3 chickens. So I'm going to go ahead and put out my 3 chickens. Then Kate got 4 more chickens. So I'm going to put my 4 more chickens out on my double 10 frame. Then Kate got 5 more chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many chickens did Kate have in all? So now I get to count all of my chickens. I see that this 10 frame is completely full, so I'm going to go ahead and say 10, 11, 12. Kate had 12 chickens. Okay, now we can take all of our counters off our board and we're ready for our next story problem. Tim ate 5 cookies. So I'm going to put 5 cookies on my board. Then Tim ate 4 more cookies. So take 4 more cookies, put them on your board. Finally, Tim ate 6 more cookies. So I'm going to put them on my board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm looking at my double 10 frame work mat and I can see that this 10 frame at the top is completely full. So I'm going to say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Tim ate 15 cookies. Now take all of your counters off your mat. Let's do one more. Sam was cleaning out her closet. First, Sam found 3 blue shirts. 1, 2, 3 blue shirts. Next, Sam found 6 yellow shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, Sam found 3 red shirts. 1, 2, 3. We're ready to see how many shirts Sam found in her closet all together. I see that my top 10 frame is completely full, so I'm going to say 10, 11, 12. Sam found 12 shirts in her closet. Thanks guys for watching how to use a double 10 frame work mat with word problems.